Hi, this is Daniel, and I hope your August is going well. This month, our main focus has been on the embedded version of our bulk product editor app. We've been making a lot of speed improvements and updates to make it the fastest and safest way for you to bulk edit your products in Shopify. We'll cover some of those in this video, but if you ever run into an issue when using the app where things don't work quite as smoothly as you think they should, please reach out to us and we'll do our best to get those fixed for you. Let's get started. We've made it easier to do in-app edits on an arbitrary list of IDs. So for example, if you have this spreadsheet with a bunch of different product IDs here, you can just copy that column, open up the app, do a search for the product ID, says contains any of the IDs, and paste that column in and add the filter, and the app will instantly select those 133 products that you need. Then you can go through and edit these as you would any other product. This is especially useful if you have an export maybe from another app or system with these IDs and you want to modify them all in bulk. We've made several improvements to make bulk editing variants easier for you. For example, if you're within the Shopify admin and you have a product with a lot of variants, you can go over to More Actions, click on Bulk Edit Variants, and the app will open up with that product selected. If you want to further filter the variants that you're going to edit, you can go over here and filter on another field, like for example the option 1 value, and put in a value here. If a product is selected but not all the variants are selected, we'll now show how many of the variants are selected, and you can see the specific ones here in this list. Then once you have the right variants, it's the same thing as before. You just click on Edit Products and you can edit any of the variant fields like cost, price, and so forth. We've also added some search filters and edit options to the app. Two that I want to highlight are we can now search for the cost field and find products where the cost is set or not set. So in this case, we're looking for products with an empty cost field, and this will help us fix those products if we need to. Another option that we added is when you edit meta fields, you now have the option to delete the meta field for all meta field types. So for example, here we have a text meta field for the color, and if we wanted to remove it, we just select delete meta field from the drop down, and you have the meta field here that gets deleted. Both of these you could do in the app before, but they required a little bit of a workaround by typing in special text, and now it's a lot easier with just selecting the options from the drop down menus. And that's it for this month. As I mentioned at the start of this video, if you run into any issues when using our apps, if things don't run as smoothly as you think they should, please reach out to us and we'll do our very best to get those fixed for you. If you're in the Northern Hemisphere, enjoy the rest of your summer, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.